In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve your connection isn't private Microsoft Edge error. Seeing this message can be alarming. But it usually means Edge is protecting you because it can't verify a site's security certificate. This can happen for simple reasons like a temporary glitch, incorrect clock settings, or stored browser data getting in the way. I'll walk you through a quick safe sequence to fix it. First, give the page a simple refresh. Click the reload button or press F5. You'd be surprised how often a brief network hiccup or a certificate check that timed out triggers the warning. After a short pause, try loading the page again. If it was just a momentary glitch, the error will clear and you can continue browsing normally. If the message is still there, open an InPrivate window to test whether your extensions or cache data are involved. Press Ctrl+Shift+N and Edge to open InPrivate browsing. Then manually type the site's address and try loading it. InPrivate mode runs without most extensions and uses a clean session. So if the site works here, that's a strong hint that your regular browsing data or an add-on is interfering. Treat this as a safe diagnostic check. And avoid entering sensitive information while you are still troubleshooting. Next, make sure your computer's date and time are correct. Because SSL certificates rely on accurate clocks. On Windows, right-click the clock in the taskbar and choose Adjust Date Fade Time. In the settings that open, ensure that Set Time automatically is turned on and confirm your time zone matches your location. If your time was off, fixing it can immediately resolve certificate errors the next time you load the site. Finally, clear Edge's cache and cookies to remove outdated or corrupted data that can cause your connection isn't private to stick around. In Edge, press Ctrl+Shift+Fatal to open clear browsing data. Set the time range to all time. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are both checked. Then click Clear Now. Keep in mind this will sign you out of most sites and may reset some website preferences, but it often clears the roadblock quickly. At this point, try the site again. If it loads without the warning, you are good to go. If the error persists, it may be an issue on the website's end, and waiting for the site owner to fix their certificate could be the only solution. Thanks for watching.